Even a good layout can feel incomplete if it is not planned with the end user in mind. You might have a spacious plan on paper, but if every inch isn't thoughtfully used, you are missing out on a true potential of your home. Hi, I'm Naseema Khatoon, an architect and interior designer. And today I'm reviewing a layout plan for a 5,000 square feet plot with a 3,000 square feet built up area on the ground floor. Now, let me be honest, this is actually a pretty good layout. Let's discuss the floor plan now. What are we having here? These are your steps. Your landing level is over here. This is one beautiful double height area which is definitely going to add value to the space. This is one beautiful staircase which is going to act as a focal wall. You have your informal sitting over here which has entry from inside and outside, which is a wonderful thing. Now this is a good size kitchen with utility, and this is the storeroom for the kitchen. The outdoor entry for the servant is here, which is a nice thing. Now you see your lift over here. This is your one bedroom. This is the dressing for the bedroom, and this is the attached toilet. This is the powder room. Entry is from here. This is your another bedroom. This is the entry for the dressing. This is the dressing room. Now this is the toilet. So overall I can see the layout is wonderful. It is having everything which a good design demands. But let's see from the interior perspective if we can improve this space. Let's start with the entry area. Now this is 2 feet from the road level. This is 6 feet. So we are having plus 4 feet from the driveway. Now if somebody is standing over here, it might fall. So we have to create a railing over here. Now let's see, if you are standing here, the visual side of the railing is not going to give a good sight. So how we can improve these steps? Let's see. Rather than creating a step like this, I am going to create step like this. This can be my green belt. Now in this case, I don't have to provide railing. Now nobody is going to fall from this area, and this is going to give a good visual impact. Somebody standing here. Another thing what I am seeing is, this is my double height area and my entry is over here, which is off center from the chandelier which I'm going to propose over here. So this is not working. What can be done? For the main entry door, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take center of this area. I'm going to create my main entry door over here with beautiful windows here, and my chandelier is going to be here. So my center of the door is aligning with the center of the chandelier, which is going to give a good sight. Let's see the bedroom now. Now this is bedroom 1 and this is bedroom 2. Now this is the master bedroom, which I think I should keep my master bedroom over here. But because of the Vastu, this is in southwest direction, so this is going to be the master bedroom. But let's see this bedroom first. Now my bedroom size is 13 feet 4 inches by 12 feet 1 inches, which I feel the size is smaller, taking the proportion of the house. So I want to increase the size of this bedroom, and I can see there is a possibility I can increase the size from here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this wall from here inside my bedroom. Now my bedroom is going to be somewhere around 18 feet by 12 feet. Now because I have removed this dressing, I have to give them a dressing. So where can I do that? Let's see that. I am seeing this is my powder room, and also this is another toilet which is 17 feet 6 inches. So what I can do, I can take few feet from here, and I can create one powder room. This can be my powder room. And I can create one dressing over here. So the door is going to be like this, and this is going to be the attached toilet. So the dressing area is going to be like this. So this is my dressing room. Now the dressing area that I have removed has been added into this area. Now another challenge is placing the furniture, because if I make a wardrobe over here, I have to start my bed like this, and it is going to be my side table. Slightly hodgepodge, but I'm going to show later on how I have created the space, but stick to the video first. So this is going to be the bed. But what is happening? Because of this door, I have to compromise with my side table, which actually I don't want. So what are the ways I can place my furniture in this room? Let's see that. See, rather than placing my wardrobe here, I'm going to place my wardrobe over here. So I'm going to utilize some space at the entry area for the wardrobe. And now my entry for the dressing can be after 3 feet 3 inches from the main entry door, from the bedroom entry. So this can be my entrance for the dressing area. So I can create my dressing here. So this can be my side tables. So this is my bed. and this is going to be the side table. Now taking the center, I am going to create my TV unit over here. Although my wardrobe size is slightly smaller, but what can be done, you can create another cabinet over here. So it can be your dressing or it can be your study, and this can be one beautiful window over here. So the room size is now 18 feet, in which we have taken 2 feet from here. So this is 12 feet by 16 feet, and now the room size has been increased. Let's see the master bedroom now. Now this is my master bedroom. The entry is from here. The size is decent. This is 13 feet 9 inches by 17 feet 6 inches, which is a decent size. So what is happening over here? My entry for the dressing is here like this. So I have to place my wardrobe like this. This can be my 24 inches wardrobe, and this is going to be my 18 inches wardrobe. And this is my TV unit. This is my bed with side table, and this is the console area, or you can create a beautiful dressing. See, you should always use this area. You should never let it go waste, because when you're creating a wardrobe, a clean wardrobe is always useful. So what I'm going to do, maybe 18 inches or 24 inches, I'm going to create a wardrobe like this. Then I'm going to create a passage over here. This is my passage, and my wardrobe is going to be like this, and this is also going to be my passage. So I'm getting one cleaner wardrobe space here. So my 24 inches wardrobe or 18 inches wardrobe, whatever the space demands, you can create something like this. And this is my wardrobe, this is my wardrobe, and this is my entry for the washroom. And for the washroom, the layout is so poor. I don't know, you should always make very clear how your washroom layout is going to be, because it happens sometime you hire your interior designer once the plumbing work has been done. So in that case, very few changes could be done. It's difficult to change these service lines, so it's better you do it in the very beginning. So what I'm going to do, either I'll create one beautiful wash basin over here. So this can be my wash basin, this is my WC area, and this is going to be my good shower. I can place it like this, or I can keep everything in a single line. Like I can keep my WC over here, this can be my wash basin, and this is my shower cubicle. So I can design this space like this too, but I prefer to give them a good wash basin. So this is going to be my layout. Wash basin, this is WC, and this is the shower area. Let's see the kitchen now. My utility is over here, which is a good size utility. My kitchen is like this. This is my hob, and this is the storeroom. See, functionality wise everything is fine, but what I feel that after accommodating my pantry unit, my OTG, my tall unit, see, this space is going to look cramped. Although they're having a proper storage over here, and this is the utility, but let's see the ways how I can improve my kitchen space utility. Now this is one layout. In this we are having, this is the refrigerator, this is the microwave and oven, and this can be the corner tall unit, this can be another storage, and this is your platform. This is my utility. I'm having my servant entry from here or here like this, and this is my storeroom. I can even extend it like this, or I can keep it like this, and this can be my another platform. Also I'm going to remove this door. So this can be one option that I can think of in order to increase the platform, because now platform area is this. So this is the layout sketch that I have created for the space. Now these are my steps, as you can see. Now this is the landing area. This is my double height space with the chandelier over here, and this is going to be my door. Now this is the staircase, which is going to be the focal wall. This is the bedroom. Now the bed is going to be placed like this as marked. This is the wardrobe. Windows are here and here, so the room is properly ventilated. This is the dressing, and this is the toilet. This is another bedroom. Now the door has been shifted from above to here, and this is my wardrobe. Now another door for the washroom is here, so that this is my WC, and this is my wash basin, and this is the shower cubicle. Let's see the kitchen now. This is my kitchen. Now the refrigerator is over here. This can be my pantry unit. This is my tall unit. This is my microwave plus OTG, and this is the platform. This is the utility area, and the entry of the utility is from here, so it is easily secluded. This is the storeroom. Also I don't need any vegetable sink, because my sink is over here, which is very near to the hob. It can be easily used. So this is how I would have designed this space. But you have a plot like this, they demand an outdoor seating area. So I would have given one outdoor seating area over here, and maybe I would have shifted my staircase like this. I have redesigned the space, or maybe the entry for this area would have shifted like this, and this would have been my staircase, whatever. But I would have given them one outdoor seating area. This is my outdoor seating area. This would have been my outdoor seating area. So I would have added these areas in my bedroom to improve the experience. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section how you find the video, and also what is the best thing that you liked in this change. DM us if you want us to review your layout plan. I would love to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see my next video soon. Bye.